darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the visions that was planted in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of the street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. The people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sand flashed out each warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement halls, and whispered